Teeth whitening is a process of removing stains from the tooth surface and restoring the natural color of the teeth. As we age, the nerve in our teeth shrinks and causes our teeth to naturally get darker. Brushing regularly and flossing may prevent discoloration of the teeth. In this video, let's see natural ways to whiten teeth. Oil pulling. Oil pulling reduces the amount of bacteria in the mouth that contributes to the buildup of plaque. It is an ancient Ayurvedic practice and it's meant to remove stains. The method involves swishing a tablespoon of coconut oil or another type of vegetable oil around your mouth. Pull it back and forth through your teeth. Do this for between 15 to 20 minutes at least once and up to 3 times a day. Spit it out and rinse your mouth with warm water, and finish by brushing your teeth. Baking soda. Baking soda has teeth whitening properties. Brushing with a paste made with baking soda and water can reduce bacteria in the mouth and buff away surface stains. Mix equal parts water and baking soda to make a paste. Use toothbrush to rub it on your teeth for 1 minute, then spit it out. Its alkaline and coarse nature will mildew scrub stains off your teeth and return your mouth's pH to normal levels. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a natural bleaching agent. It is a mild bleach that can help to whiten stained teeth. It is typically safe to use when it's found in products like mouthwash and toothpaste. Combine equal parts of hydrogen peroxide and water. Swish the solution in your mouth for 30 seconds, then spit it out. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar works for whitening the teeth. The acetic acid does a really good job at removing the discolored plaque from the teeth. Using a finger, rub apple cider vinegar on your teeth for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse your mouth thoroughly with water and brush immediately. The pH of apple cider vinegar can remove stains from your teeth, which helps naturally whiten teeth. Strawberry. Strawberries contain malic acid, which is known to remove discoloration on the teeth and make them appear whiter. Try mashing up strawberries and rubbing them on your teeth. Leave for 5 minutes, then rinse with water, brush and floss as usual. Repeat process on a nightly basis to optimal results. Pineapples. Pineapples actually help to whiten your teeth. Pineapples contain an enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain can help with removing plaque from the surface of your teeth, and it serves as a natural stain remover. Brushing and flossing every day is one of the best ways to keep your teeth white. Many of the popular natural methods can actually damage your teeth, which would cause them to yellow more, so caution is recommended. It's important to limit tooth-staining foods and practice good oral hygiene. By improving your diet, you can have healthier teeth and a healthier body as well.